Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. So guys, today we're looking, I think this is the edition 18 deck of Scarlet palette. Now y'all know I don't do too many of these videos because they don't release spoilers and they only got like one palette a month that comes with one little side item. So deck of Scarlet is more like a palette subscription, and it does usually have a face palette. It'll usually have like 3 shadows, 2 face products, 2 lip creams inside the palette, and it'll also come with something on the side like an eyeliner or a lipstick or a single eyeshadow or just anything like that. Not a lot of people get Deck of Scarlet, but I still love to see their palettes because I've always been a palette person. So I do love seeing the palettes that they put out. Now every once in a while it'll be kind of different palette, but I believe this one is the edition 18, I guess, for July. That's what we're looking at today. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the Boxy Charm July base box items. Well, thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says first. If not, maybe second. Jenny, honey, it shows you being first, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell, try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and hit your subscribe button during that time. It's going to have a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year, guys. So who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, Deck of Scarlet is a palette subscription, and usually it's the same type of palette that they put out every month. It's a palette that they make. They usually collab with somebody. They've always collabed with somebody on these palettes. But this time, y'all, I don't see anybody that they've collabed with. Usually they'll collab with smaller YouTubers, bigger YouTubers, whoever. But this time, I'm not seeing a collaboration with this palette. So this is the first palette that I've seen without them collabing with somebody on it. So I don't understand what's going on with that. And again, not a lot of people know about this because really I don't do a lot of videos about it because I don't release spoilers. So I just sort of put up the palette that's out every month just to show everybody. And like I said, I've always been a palette person. I know there are people that just love this subscription. So, you know what? I do it anyways. Now, I am affiliated with them, but I ain't sold too much for them. So, you know, I could care less about that. But I still like to put this video up every month because I love their palettes. Now, let's go ahead and look at this. Again, I think this is the edition 18. It's kind of throwing me off a little bit that they didn't collab with somebody on this. But it says it is bohemian inspired. It is inspired by the desert sun with neutral everyday tones. And the palette is called Daybreak. Now again, their palettes are all the same. I believe they've only made a couple that just have shadows in them. But I believe those were just like extra palettes that you could purchase by themselves. I don't believe that was like part of their monthly subscription palettes. But then again, who knows? I'm not sure. Again, this is called Daybreak. Now it shows 3 shadows, 2 face powders, 2 lip creams. Now the 3 shadows, one of them looks like it's a hot pink shade. One looks like a dark peach, like an apricot shade. And then of course they're going to have that cream shade right there. And then the 2 face products, it kind of looks like one is a bronzer and one is a blush. And then it has 2 lip creams. One of them looks like a peachy nude shade, and the other one looks like a dark wine. And this one, and like I said, every one of their palettes every month usually come with a side item, whether it be a lipstick or a single eyeshadow, or mascara, liner, whatever. This one comes with a prismatic glitter gel shadow. It's in the shade Sundance. Now, it looks like a cream. It's not quite white, but it's like ivory or something like that. And it has colored glitter in it. So I think this is more like a shadow topper. I do think they paired it very well with this palette, though, because, I mean, this just looks beautiful. It would look beautiful over any one of those eyeshadow shades. Or by itself. I mean, it would look good by itself too. Just with that and nothing else. Oh my gosh, that'd be gorgeous. Like a nice, light, natural look. I swear it's throwing me off bigger and shit, y'all. They didn't collab with somebody. I don't understand. Because, you know, it's a good way to get their channels out there. Because they do tend to collab with smaller creators. And I do love when they do that. Like I said, this is the first palette I've seen without it being, like, collabed with someone. So I don't know what's going on here, guys. But anyways, here's the palette. I did want to get on here and show it to y'all. If you do want to go see Deck of Scarlet, I'll link it down below if you do want to go check them out and see what they got. I mean, they do sell all of their past palettes and other products that they've made. And their palettes are really good. I have had a couple of them, and they just have an amazing quality to them. So I really do like them. Now, the lip creams in them, well, at least the ones I had, I didn't really care for too much. But you got to take the good with the bad. And then again, it could be really good. It could work out really well for other people. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this palette down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Deck of Scarlet is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Rebecca Koss. Rebecca says, hello, thank you for the spoilers. Have a great day. Well, you are more than welcome, Rebecca. And I hope your day's going amazing, Rebecca. I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would, check that out for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but y'all only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set down. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.